Did you know that you can import Spanish Bibles in FreeShow? Let's learn how today. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up FreeShow, and then you want to go to this bottom drawers, and you can just click on this little line here to get to it, or you can just click on the word scripture and it pops up the scripture panel. And if you go to the bottom left side, there'll be an option that says new scripture. So we click on that, and then you get an option to say API or local Bibles to import. And so what we're going to do is we're going to select API. I'm going to go to the top right and type Spanish. And you'll see a whole slew of different Spanish Bibles available for you to import immediately. And so this is the New Testament in Spanish, the Holy Bible in simple Spanish. So I'm going to click that. And as soon as you click it, you'll see it turn white. And it means that you actually have it imported. So you can close that. And you can scroll down on your left side here. And let's see, the Holy Bible American Standard, the Holy Bible in simple Spanish. So when I click that, you'll see that your Spanish Bible is now available for you to select scriptures and put those up on your screen in FreeShow.